Hey guys, how you doing today? I'm Andrew with Termite Control, and today I'm here to answer another frequently asked question. And we're going to be talking about, is patching damage a proper way of repairing it? So, short answer, I guess, it's no. A patch is not a repair. It's mostly a cosmetic fix. You're covering up the area. You're not actually repairing the damaged piece. In order to repair it, it has to be replaced, or alternatively, it can be reinforced. So patching, again, it's just covering up the problem. That's not to say, if maybe the damage is non-structural, maybe it's very minimal, then maybe patching it's a good idea to save some money and make sure that the area is sealed, looking good and everything. But again, patching is not necessarily repairing the problem. All right, so in order to properly repair it, we highly recommend replacing the damaged wood members. All right, so I hope that answers that question. If you have any more questions for me, please do leave them in the comment box below. If you like our channel, please do subscribe, and if you need any assistance, you can call me at 619-421-2101 or visit us online at gctermitecontrol.com. Thank you and have a great day.